Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 16. Its title is A Delightful Day. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of Listening and Speaking, we are going to learn how to express needs and feelings. Before this, we have learned how to express joy while playing. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And beta, expressing joy is also expressing of one of the feeling. So we are going to learn further to demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to express needs and feelings. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Mujadila, verse 7, there is in no private conversation 3, but that He is the 4th of them. Nor are there 5, but that He is the 6th of them. And no less than that, and no more, except that He is with them in knowledge wherever they are. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Because this verse is telling us that wherever you are, with whom you are talking, Allah is listening. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is always there. That's why, beta, we should be very careful about our words, the way we say it, the way we express ourselves. So we should know how to express correctly and nicely, not to impress people, but to be careful, to be conscious of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Beta, because Allah is listening all the time. This verse is telling us Allah is always with you. Allah is listening whatever you are saying. That's why we should be careful. And we are learning the nice ways of speaking, right? So first you tell me, what are basic social courtesies? And how do you express your needs and feelings? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear children. So what are basic social? We have talked a lot about it. Now, I hope all of you know our good manners are better. The manners which we show are basic social courtesies. And how do we show? By using different words. May I, please, thank you, you're welcome, excuse me, etc. So whenever we talk according to the situation, we use such type of nice word to express ourselves, right? So these are basic social courtesies. And how do you express your feeling? We have learned there are 2 ways. One is your body language and the other is your word. How do you speak? So even your body language tells how do you feel. You're happy or not. You are sad or you are happy, right? So beta, when it comes to your body language, it should be positive all the time. And especially when it comes to your word, you should know how to speak correctly. For example, I am feeling hungry. Now this is a feeling, okay? You're hungry, only you know. You can feel it. Even your mama may not know till the time you express it, okay? So when you express your feeling, I'm feeling hungry, how will you now? This feeling creates a need. And what is the need? What do you need? If you are hungry, what do you need? I need food. I need food, or I need something to eat. So how will you say to your mama, Mama, please give me something to eat because I'm feeling hungry, right? But if you are hungry, it doesn't mean, give me something, I'm hungry. No. We should be, this is what I told you, your manners should be good all the time. So go to your mama and start with, please, Mama, give me something to eat. I'm feeling hungry, right? So this is a feeling and this is a need. All right. In next situation, maybe I'm feeling thirsty. So when you are thirsty, what do you need? I need water. Please give me a glass of water. right? This is how we express our need. So you're feeling, I'm feeling thirsty. Kindly give me a glass of water. Okay, I need a glass of water. I'm feeling tired. This is another feeling. So how will you express it? I'm feeling tired. I need some rest, right? So when you are tired, you need rest. So this is a feeling and this is a need. All right, are you getting it? So beta, when we whatever we feel, when we express it and we tell what do you need, then the other person knows. Now user, don't you see, can you find me, look at me, don't you see I'm tired? No, how can I know? You need to tell in a nice way, I'm tired, I need some rest, kindly excuse me for an hour. All right, okay. So this is how we express our needs and feelings. Let's see what does your book say about it. All of you open your book on page number 118. Now this boy, he's saying, I'm so thirsty. I need a glass of water. Simply, okay. The next is saying, I'm feeling cold. I need a jacket to wear. Simple. It's raining. We need to take an umbrella. Wow, I like rain. Now this is your feeling. I like rain. So I want to go outside, but for that I need an umbrella, right? I'm feeling sad because my mother is ill. Now this is just expression of feeling. I'm feeling sad because my mama is not well. My mother is ill. And I need a lunch box and a water bottle for my school. That's it. Please give me, Mama, can you buy a water bottle and a lunch box for me? This is how beta very nicely we express our feelings and our needs, right? Are you clear with the concept? Okay, let's practice it through an activity. Your teacher will call the students one by one to come in front of the class and express their needs and feelings. Okay, so let's see who express in the nice way. I hope all of you are going to do that. Pause the video, enjoy the activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Very good. All of you, now it's time for your homework. You will express your own needs and feelings by writing a few sentences. Okay, and here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, you're gonna make a short video to express your needs and feelings. Okay, so you will share this video with your teacher. These are few examples. So you will talk about your needs and feelings, and you will make a video about it. Okay, so what we have learned today, we learned to express our needs and feelings, and we achieved our SLO to demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in groups to express needs and feelings. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.